Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix some not register on network problem in your Android mobile phone. So how to fix this type of error? Let's start. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's see started. Okay guys, first of all going to your Android mobile phone, and after that first of all going to settings of your Android mobile phone. After that go to your connections, and after that go to your mobile networks. Okay guys, after that click on network operators. Now select a SIM which is show data network problem. So now it's after that click on a search networks. So it's required a few seconds for search your operated networks. Now it may be take a few seconds more to search the network operators. Okay guys, now you can see that list of the all networks. Now select a network which is you can use on your SIM. So at this time I used Zong network, but on this in the list Zong network is not shown. Now you can select those network which is used. Simply click on it, and after that I'm sure that these SIM you okay guys, now you can see that list of the networks. Now these list okay guys, now you can see that a list of the different networks which is operate in your country, but on these SIMs I used Zong network, but in this list not appear because it's already registered. So when you scan the network, search the networks, now you can see the list of all operated networks in your country and select which is those network which is used on the specific SIMs. So after selecting that, I'm sure that your problem has been solved. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.